morning children. Today I want to make a pinhole camera. Okay, actually it is by the demand of some children that make the video, so I am just trying it. Okay, see, you also take a box. Okay, the box from your home available. So this much I got, this much big box only, so you can take a small box also which is available at your home. Okay, so now see this this portion you have to cut it. Okay, one portion of this you have to cut it, other portion just keep it as it is. Okay, so now see how I am going to cut it. You just cut it carefully. Okay, then see, I just cut it this one. Okay, that portion I just removed it, and afterwards just on that cut portion, that portion, open portion, there you just paste a white paper, white paper. I got the white paper. If you are getting the tissue paper, that will be more clear. Okay, so use that one. With the cello tape you can use it. If you are using the Fevicol, no problem, but Fevicol, it will take time to dry it, so that you can use the cello tape also. So just I pasted this portion. Okay, this portion, from this portion only I cut down, and this portion I pasted with this white tape. Okay, now back side it is, see, you can see the this portion only. Here you have to make a small hole. Okay, I am making it with the it is actually with the safety pin also you can make, or the with the compass, right? With the compass you can make it. And now I am making the scissors, one side it is very sharp, with that only make a small hole. Okay, just make a small hole, pierce it and make the small hole. Just I made the hole over here, so it's very small. See this, through this we have to keep the that allow the light to pass through. That means candle, if I am keeping it, okay, I am keeping the candle on one side, and that side will be towards this point, and then that its image through this point get it, and then here in this screen, this white portion, it acts as the screen, so here you will get the image. Okay, now see, and for that we have to make this place dark. Okay, in the dark only we will get the image very clearly. So where you are sitting, there you just switch off the light or make the room dark. Okay, so now see children how it is getting. Now see that you are able to see this portion. See this portion. Here you are able to see this image, right? Candle's image. Now how I kept it, you see, just I kept like this, the candle here, and just this side, you see, this side actually black portion only, so nothing is able to see, but through that pinhole, so I made that pinhole this side, see, able to see this pinhole here only, that through this pinhole now it is passing. So now see back side screen how it is getting very clearly, you are able to see this, right? This portion, right? So this is actually the image through the pinhole. Now see, I am just distance, changing the distance. See, moving the screen towards the candle. Now see how it is getting towards the candle, means the distance between the screen and the candle is less. So the image it is enlarged, right? Image little bit big image you are getting. Now I am just shifting the screen away from the candle. Now see, diminished image, right? As much far it is, you are getting a diminished image, and it is very clear here. Able to see this portion. Now I hope you all have understood how to make this, right? So for this, no need of any decorative items, no need to purchase anything from outside, so it is better you can use this one box from your home only. It may be available at home, so you can use that from your home, and only the white paper also available, so no need to purchase anything from outside. Okay, so you make this, all of you try this. I hope all of you understood how to do it. Okay children, now thank you children.